Now in Chinese, Mia here. In this episode, let's learn one Hanzi in the metro. Let's get it. So this is the traditional form of Hanzi ma. It looks just like a horse, isn't it? Ma, ma, ma. Ma can also be a radical in other Hanzi. So here, this Hanzi 十, this Hanzi 训. The left part of these two Hanzi is ma, which means the meaning of these Hanzi are related to ma. Alright. So that was the traditional form of Hanzi ma. And the simplified version looks like that. You probably know. This one here. Much easier. Ma. This phrase, 马上, literally on a horse, it means immediately. It's an adverb, very frequently used. 马上, 马上, 马上. So by the Chinese Zodiac, this year is the year of the horse, 马年. And these are some new stamp designs with ma. So here, 一匹马. Here, 三匹马. The measure word for ma is not 个, it's 匹. 一匹马. 一匹马, 三匹马, 三匹马. That's all for today's episode. Now in Chinese, Mia here. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.